Hey guys, how's it going? Will here, CEO and founder at WA Marketing Solutions, the only company that helps you get referrals faster from your new referral partners. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run email marketing campaigns to realtors. Now there's a lot of different ways we can do this. You can run one-time campaigns, pre-made campaigns, templated campaigns, pretty email campaigns, or a mix and match of all of those, and those are I just named 4. There are a lot more that I can go for, but I wanted to name the main 4 to 5. I could have said bulk emails. That kind of goes into the first one I said, which is one time. Anyway, before you get started, I'm going to show you an example of what it's like using our WA CRM. You can use any CRM. I recommend you use ours because it is not just a CRM, it's a SaaS software on steroids. And regardless if you're using ours, if we're doing it for you, if you're doing it on your own, what you're going to need is 1, contacts. So you're going to need first name and email at minimum on a Excel sheet, and then eventually into a CRM system. Once you have those contacts in the CRM system the way you want them, organized, and again, you only need first name and email. Last name and phone number would be nice as well, but those are the 2 things you need, mandatory. The second thing you need is a script. The script is the subject line and body of the emails. Best case scenario, you already have the campaign written out so that you can just put 1 and 2 together, the contacts and the scripts together. And the third thing you'll need, so 1 is contacts in the system, 2 is scripts, so the body and the subject line of the content in the CRM as well, ready to go. And then the system. So obviously where you're going to put the contacts and the scripts, you're going to put them in the system. So I guess system should be number 1. And that can be some sort of SaaS software, CRM marketing software, just so that you can put everything in one place and track it. If you're not tracking your numbers, if you're just doing things randomly, then you're wasting your time. How are you going to be able to modify and adjust and increase your numbers when you're not even tracking them? So now that you have a system for tracking, you have your scripts and your contacts ready to go, I'm going to show you 4 different ways you can run email marketing campaigns to realtors. So one way you can do it is the one-time campaign. So that means you want to send a one-off email to a group of individuals or all the individuals. There's lots of different ways you can do that. Let's say you have a pipeline such as the ones I'm showing you, and I want to send an email only to the 75 leads in stage 5. Well, that's pretty easy. You would just go to contacts, and then you would use a smart list. Now it looks like I don't have a stage 5 smart list, so you're going to watch me make one with you. I'm going to go to manage smart lists. Looks like I'm not here. Actually, I'm going to go back to all, excuse me. I'm going to make a filtered stage 5 list. So I'm going to go to more filters. I'm going to type in the words pipeline stage. To select the pipeline, I'm going to select the realtor pipeline and select stage 5. So now I'm going to hit apply. You'll notice that the 75, let's see, is it 75? Yeah, 75 contacts from that previous page I now filtered into a list. I'll save the smart list. Let's just name it stage 5, easy to remember, save. All right, now that I have stage 5 all organized into my little smart list, smart filtered list, I'm going to click select. I'm going to select all, or just select 1, or select a custom amount of individuals, whatever you want. You're going to click the send email button. You're going to click OK, proceed. And then from here you can write out who is this email being sent from? From you. And you can write, your nickname, which is pretty cool. You don't have to write your first name, last name. The email that you want it to come from, the subject line, and the body of the email, which you can do a lot with these features here. You can send it all at once, you can send it at a scheduled time, or you can send it in drip mode if you're sending it to a lot of people. And then you can title it at the end before you click send. That's one way. Let's say you have a campaign already set up and you want to drop it into a pre-made campaign, you would hit the Add to Campaign or Workflow button, and these 75 records are going to go to, I'll show you, click OK, proceed. Choose the workflow that you made. Let's choose Realtor class, for example. And again, add all at once, schedule time, drip mode, and then you can add it to the workflow. Very, very cool. Now let me kind of show you what a campaign looks like, so give me a moment. So this is an example right here of a pre-made email campaign. Actually, it's just one email and one SMS, but as you can imagine, you can branch this out as much as you want. So basically, we took those 75 realtors and you can drop them into this box, which I showed you in the previous screen. And once they get dropped into this box, they would get the first email. If it wait 2 days, if they don't reply, then they get SMS. If they do reply, then finish line, this campaign is done. We have email campaigns that are 6 months long, 24 emails total. So you can make this as long as you want. To give you an idea of what it looks like to create an email, you would just create the email box, your subject line would go here, and then your body would go here once that pops up. There it is. All right. One more thing I want to show you. If you want to make a campaign full of templated emails you've already pre-created, you would just click Conversations, you would click Templates. And if you're using a different CRM, then probably it can be anywhere. You can go to your templates, you can add new templates, add them here, and then when you're creating a campaign, you can just plug and play the template that you had previously. So if you want to use the same template every quarter to your database, then you don't need to write a new email every quarter. You can just use a template, which is very nice. And so this is an email template, this is a text template. You can just pop these email templates into your campaign. And the very, very last thing I want to show you is pretty emails. So this is really cool. Right now we've already gone over one-time emails, pre-made emails, templated emails. Now let me show you pretty emails. Now, pretty emails is pretty cool because you're basically taking a email campaign to your realtors and you're making it all, well, top-notch. So to do that, you'd hit Marketing, you would go to Emails, and you would go to Templates that you would need to create. Campaigns is for after you've actually run an email marketing campaign to your realtors. So you want to start with Templates, and you can, we don't want to create a campaign, we can create a new template. There's probably some old templates here, if I'm not mistaken. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so in this sub-account, there are no pre-made emails. So give me a moment to hop into a different sub-account and show you what a pretty email really looks like. So actually, I just clicked Create Campaign, and it gives you the option to create a new campaign using templates. So you can start with a blank and start from scratch, or you can search email template. So let's see, promotion. What comes up? Okay, nothing came up when I hit promotion. Give me a moment to find something else. So let me show you what a pretty email would look like. I'm going to show you this example. I'm sure it's not the prettiest email you've ever seen, but you're going to get the point. You can actually add, it's like a flyer that you're sending to your database. So this is just an example. You have buttons, you have screenshots, you have videos, you have your headers and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in running proper email campaigns to your realtor partners and not making the mistake of, oh no, I don't have my my server in place so that the emails actually get delivered, or I'm not really sure how to organize my database, I don't know how to work smart lists, I don't know how to create pretty emails, my content's just off, I just don't know how to do it. Do you guys want to do it for me? Yes, we can do this for you within our system. We give you a pre-built out system meant for yourself with your name. We're going to slap your logo on it. If you're interested in just having that in itself, you can have it for $99 a month. It's worth thousands of dollars a month, but I'll only give it to you for $99. And if you want our services, depending on what it takes, let's say, for example, you want us to manage your email marketing campaigns to your leads, to your realtors. I mean, we're not going to charge you that much because it's pretty simple stuff. Maybe $50 to $100 additional per month, and that's it. So if you want some help and running email campaigns, let us know. You can find us on our website at www.wamarketingsolutions.com. We are the best at this, so if you are struggling to stay in front of your database and run proper email marketing campaigns, then you can come to us. If you're not running email marketing campaigns and you're a loan officer, what are you doing? Your competition is, you're falling behind. I definitely would get on it if I were you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.